Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. The name of the channel is The Future Billionaire. Well, I want to be a billionaire. I have always wanted to be a billionaire someday. But how does one become a billionaire? First, I will be a billionaire, or I will have to develop my mindset to be a billionaire. The second thing comes first. First, I will have to develop my mindset as a billionaire so that I can take the decisions according to the dream of my life so that I can reach there exactly. So, I developed the mindset of the best that was possible for me. I developed my mindset to the highest level, and I keep continuing developing my mindset by reading different books, watching videos of people that really help in changing your life, that really help in teaching you, guiding you, by mentoring you the right things that are required you to learn. I have learned the life story and everything. I have not learned means actually read. I've read a lot about how to become a billionaire from more than a decade time. For more than 10 years I have been trying to improve my mindset, develop my mindset like a billionaire, and I think that my mindset is somewhere at a good place than it was 10 years ago. So I trained my brain, my mind, my body to help me reach my goals, reach my dreams, and I think I am on the right path. That at least, even if I don't have a lot of money by now, but at least I have a good brain that helps me to solve every single problem of the world. At least every single problem of my life I try to solve on my own without taking help from anyone. And I always try to help others so that they can help someone else, and then they can help someone else too. So the thing is, I've always done the right thing. I've always been righteous in my life. I always tried to make the best choices, the right choices that will lead me to a good place. I tried my best. Well, I'm not appreciating myself here. I am just telling you what kind of life I live, because people appreciate me all the time, so I don't need to appreciate myself. I'm just telling you the details of my life so that you can learn something from me. I'm at peace with myself. I was not at peace 10 years ago. I was getting angry at every single thing that was going wrong in my life. But now I understand that life is just like this. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are sad, and financial things often bring stress. So, the thing is, if you really want to succeed in life, you need to grow yourself financially. And to grow financially, first you need to improve your way of thinking, improve your way of thinking about money, about making money. If you are financially confident in yourself, no one can defeat you. If you are financially confident that no matter, even if I start from zero, I will reach to the count of millions and billions in dollars. If you are that much financially confident, no one can, no one means no one, no one can make you believe otherwise. Don't take it otherwise, but the thing is, I was just trying to say that you need to be financially confident no matter what. financial confidence doesn't come easy. It is like you have to go through pains of losing money sometimes. You have to go through pain of losing your hard-earned money sometimes in experimenting, and sometimes your savings are also gone in trying to learn something new. Sometimes you have to live on just one meal a day if you really want to make money. Sometimes you have to work a lot harder if you really want to get super rich. But one day, everything will become better. Everything will get better with time. Yes, what can I say more? Already I said enough. Sometimes I think that if I had all the resources that I always needed, my life would be a lot better by now. Well, that's the truth, but I don't regret it anymore because I know everything happens for a reason. So I'm happy with my life, and I think that whatever happened for the best. At least I learned to survive through the toughest storms of my life. That's all. Thank you. End of the message. And the last thing, always try to be financially confident in yourself no matter what.